This is a very special message going out to everybody in London, Ontario. I'm Tommy Europe from TV's The Last 10 Pounds Boot Camp, and I'm very excited to announce that I'll be joining you at Bust a Move, presented by Shoppers Drug Mart, on March 29th, 2014 at the London Convention Centre, in support of the breast care program at St. Joseph's Hospital. Bust a Move is a fun-filled 6-hour fitness extravaganza that will definitely include my signature Shred Boot Camp. Bust a Move is ideal for all fitness levels and will bring together hundreds of men and women for a day of fun, silliness, and sweat in support of breast health in London. This is an amazing event that you definitely do not want to miss, and I can't wait to meet each and every one of you. To register for the event and to join the movement, visit bustamove.ca. I can't wait to see all of you on Saturday, March 29th, 2014. Bust a Move!